Class 3, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. I'm your English teacher and my name is Rafia Munawar. So open your English LIT notebook. Dear students, today we are going to start the words meaning and word sentences of the chapter The Hedge and the Hare. Yesterday we have completed reading and explanation of the chapter The Hedgehog and the Hare. So open your English LIT notebook, draw margin line, write CW and mention date, which is Tuesday 13th April 2021. Write topic and exercise number is 1. Write the meanings. Underline your topic and the subtopic with the help of colors. So let's start the words meanings of the chapter. First word is stumpy. What is the meaning of the stumpy? Stumpy means small and fat, like hedgehog. So what will be the meaning of the stumpy? Stumpy means small and fat. Now next word is beat. Beat means defeat. Like in this picture we can see the boy is showing the expression of defeat. Now third word is lanky legs. Lanky legs means thin legs like the hare has. Now fourth word is furrows. Dear students, furrows means long lines in soil for planting seeds. Like we can see here, the plants had appeared in these long lines. Now next word is rude. And what is the meaning of rude? Rude means harsh. Rude means harsh. Like we can see in this picture, the woman is showing harsh behavior or harsh style of talking. Now sixth word is pop up. Dear students, pop up means appear in a place. Like you can see here in this card, if we open this card, this scenery will be appear or pop up. So what is the meaning of pop up? Appear in a place. Now seventh word is hope. And what is the meaning of hope? Hope means to jump. Like in this picture we can see the boy is jumping. Now eighth word is afraid. Afraid means frightened. In this picture we can see the boy is showing the expression of afraid or frightened. Now ninth word is boastful. Boastful means pride. Like in this picture, the boy's expression is showing that he is feeling pride. Now next word is amazement. Amazement means surprised. The expression of this man is showing that he is surprised. Now 11th word is exclaim. Exclaim means speak suddenly. So what is the meaning of exclaim? Exclaim means speak suddenly. Students, now let's start the make sentences. Mention exercise number 2, make sentences, write words, sentences and underline also your topic of sentences. Now let's start. First word is reply. What is the meaning of reply? Reply means to answer. Dear students, now we will use this word in our sentences. We can create a sentence, he did not reply to my question, or we can make he replied hurriedly. Now second word is furrows. Have you remembered the meanings of furrows? We have read in words meanings also. Yes, I have told you furrows mean long lines in soil for planting seeds. Now we have to use this word in our sentence. We can create a sentence. The trees were planted in the furrows. They started race in furrows. Now third word is hungry. And what is the meaning of hungry? Hungry means have a desire of food. Now we will use this word in our sentences. We can create a sentence. I was not so hungry. Or we can create the hedgehog was feeling hungry. Now fourth word is polite. And what is the meaning of polite? Polite means showing good manners. Now we have to use this word in our sentence. We can create sentence. He smiled politely. Or we can create he replied politely. Now, number fifth word is quickly. And what is the meaning of quickly? Have you now, boys? What is the meaning of quickly? We have read this word many times and we have used also this word in our sentences. So, what is the meaning of quickly? Yes, quickly means fastly. Now, we will use this word in our sentence. He ran quickly. Or we can create he replied quickly, or he made up his mind quickly. You can write any sentence of your own choice also. Students, now this is your homework and I will explain the meanings of these words for you. You have to create sentences of these words by yourself. So first word is laugh. What is the meaning of laugh? Laugh means act of laughing. Now second word is rude. I have told you in meanings also. Rude means harsh. Third word is understand. And what is the meaning of understand? Understand means to know or realize something. Fourth word is hedgehog. Dear students, I have explained you hedgehog means a small mammal with a spiny coat and short legs is called hedgehog. Now next word is wonder. And wonder means surprise. Okay dear students, I have explained these words for you. Now you have to use these words in your sentences.